Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners, my dear students. I am again present before you to take the class of spoken English, class number 30. Today I will start a new chapter. For the last few classes, I have been discussing to you about the WH word and question formations by using WH word. But today I'm gonna start a new lesson, a new chapter, that is model auxiliaries. I have already introduced to you in my opening class about the model auxiliaries, about the characteristic of model auxiliaries. Today I will explain one of the main main model verbs. I have already discussed to you that model verb always express the attitude, moods, variety, manner of the speaker. So, model verbs are very important to express the feelings, to express the permissions, and to express the attitude of the speaker. These model verbs are very helpful. It is very needful whenever a speaker expresses his thoughts, whenever a speaker wanna give some informations, whenever a speaker wanna give some more valuable things, some more talks about his day-to-day works. In that situations, we can use model verbs. Today, I will give you the first one, can. Can is very useful, and can is very vital, and can is very necessary whenever we will start to converse with our relatives and with our near and dear ones. So firstly, you will have to know the meaning of can. What is the Bengali meaning of can? You should have a clear idea about these words, about these model verbs. Can means in Bengali para, that means your ability, and these words, these model verb, the first model verb is mainly used in 7 cases. What are those cases? First one, to denote ability of the speaker. To express the ability of the speaker, we can use can. Secondly, to express the inability of the speaker, we can use can. Ability means dakhota, inability means adakhota. To express the permissions of the speaker, we can use can. To express prohibition, prohibition means nishedh. To express the prohibition, we can use can. And to express the request, we can easily use can. This is very often used. Number six, to express the possibility. To express the possibility of any words, we can use can. And the final and the last one, to offer help, to offering help to someone, we can use can. So we can use can in different situations. Now I am giving you some examples by using can. Okay, first one, to denote ability of the speaker, বক্তার সক্ষমতা প্রকাশ করার জন্য we can use can. Suppose I can sing, that means আমি গান করতে পারি। সে গাড়ি চালাতে পারে, he can drive a car. সে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে পারে, he can speak English. Okay, suppose he can form so many sentences. আমি নাচতে পারি, I can dance. Okay, আমি বক্তব্য দিতে পারি, I can deliver the speech. Okay, আমি অঙ্কগুলি সহজেই করতে পারি, I can easily solve these sums. So these kind of sentences you can express by using can, and these always express your ability. Now second one, to express the inability of the speaker, we can use can. Inability, that means adakhota, I can't sing. Cannot, that means can't, I can't sing. Okay, or I can't sing, আমি গান করতে পারি না. Suppose he cannot drive, he cannot drive a car, সে গাড়ি চালাতে পারে না. Or she cannot speak English, সে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে পারে না. Okay, she can't speak English. Next, so to express inability of the speaker, we can use can. Now third one, permission. To give permission or to take permission, we can use can. You can go near, তুমি যেতে পারো. Can I use your phone? আমি কি তোমার ফোনটা ব্যবহার করতে পারি? Okay, can I take your book? Can I take your book? That means আমি কি তোমার বইটি নিতে পারি? Okay, so you may ask so many permission by using can. Can I sit here, sir? Suppose you are asking VIP, can I sit here, sir? Can I sit here, ma'am? আমি কি এখানে বসতে পারি মহাশয়? Or can I go now? আমি কি এখন যেতে পারি? Can I start now? আমি কি এখন শুরু করতে পারি? So these kind of sentences can easily formed by using can. Okay, hope you understand. Now second, number 4, prohibition. Prohibition means nishedh or any kind of words which are not allowed. In that situation you can use can. Suppose you cannot smoke here. তুমি এখানে ধূমপান করতে পারো না, ওকে? তুমি এখন যেতে পারো না. You can go now. You cannot go now or you can't go now. তুমি এখন যেতে পারো না. অথবা তুমি এখানে উচ্চ স্বরে কথা বলতে পারো না. You cannot talk loudly here. Okay? You cannot sit here. তুমি এখানে বসতে পারো না. Okay? You cannot start the work now. তুমি এখন কাজটি শুরু করতে পারো না. So these kind of sentences can easily form by using can in the case of prohibitions. Okay, hope you understand. You will also practice such kind of sentences whenever you will be alone in your house. Now, number 5, to express the request of the speaker. Listen carefully, otherwise you cannot catch what I am saying to you. So my dear learners, please be concentrating on the board and the speeches which I am delivering to you. Then it will be very easier to you to understand and to comprehend what I am saying to you. Now, number 5, a request. To express the request of the speaker, we can use can. Suppose, can you help me? তুমি কি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারো? Okay, it's a kind of request. Whenever you demand request or you put request to someone, you can use can. Okay, or another sentence, can you give me some money? তুমি কি আমায় কিছু টাকা দিতে পারো? Okay, it's a kind of request. So whenever you will put request to someone, you can use can. So can is very essential in making request to others. Hope you understand and you should remember these lines. Number 6, possibility. To express the possibility. Possibility means sambhavana. Okay. To express the possibility of the speaker, we can use can. So in this situation, can is very important. To express the possibility of the speaker. Suppose he can be very stupid. সে খুব বোকা হতে পারে. Suppose one of your friends, one of your boyfriends or one of your girlfriends have done mistake. You cannot expect that your friend can make such kind of mistakes. You cannot believe it. In that situation, you can utter such kind of sentence that সে খুব বোকা হতে পারে. He can be very stupid. Okay? Another sentence, he can help me. সে আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারে. Suppose your friend is coming to you, your friend promised to you that he will come to you. He will invite, he will come to your house. So you may ask, you may predict that my friend can come today. My friend can come today. আমার বন্ধু আজকে আসতে পারে. So it's a kind of possibility. Last one, offering help. To offer help to someone, we can use can. It is often used to offer help. Suppose, can I help you? আমি কি তোমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারি? Okay. Wherever you will see, how can I help you? আমি তোমাকে কিভাবে সাহায্য করতে পারি? Okay, how can I help you? It's also very often used, this kind of sentences. And that can I give you my card? আমি কি তোমায় আমার কার্ডটি দিতে পারি? Suppose your friend or suppose one of your relatives are in trouble. One of your friend is in difficult situation. He cannot go here, and that you have a car with you, and you are offering him in such a way that can I give you my car? Can I give you my car? আমি তোমাকে আমার কার্ডটি দিতে পারি? So these kind of sentences, especially you should remember, especially these 7 characteristics of using can, you should remember, and you should be concentrating. You will watch my videos repeatedly, then it will be very easier to understand about the activities of can. Hope you understand, my dear learners, my dear students, that you can easily follow my class, and there will be no problem whenever you will watch my videos. Thank you so much. I will be back soon.